The Sole S77 is a simple, well-built treadmill that is suitable for users who enjoy minimal options for tech and entertainment features. With a large motor and strong, supportive frame, runners can use this treadmill for extended periods without fear of the components breaking down. Motor size. The motor in this treadmill is 4.0 chp. With this large motor, it is up to daily use by multiple users with a variety of workout needs. It is significantly larger than the Elite T9, but the S77 motor is 0.25 smaller than the X11i. Running area. The running surface is a spacious 22x60, which is a bit wider than the Elite T9. Max speed. The treadmill's max speed is 12 miles per hour. This is the industry standard for most treadmills over $1,000. Thanks to the console's quick select speed buttons, you can easily go from the treadmill's top speed down to a more reasonable pace. The X11i also has an easy interface. The Elite T9 does not have a good console interface, and we recommend you read our review of the Elite T9 to learn more about it. Display. The display on the S77 is a 10.1 TFT LCD. There is backlighting to illuminate the screen's dark color scheme, but not enough to be harsh. The display will show user information like speed, heart rate, pace, calories burned, etc. The image below is the updated console for the 2019 S77 model. Workout apps. The program menu has 6 standard preset workouts, 2 heart rate control workouts, and 2 user-designed workouts. When in heart rate training mode, the treadmill automatically makes adjustments to the incline to keep you in your target heart rate zone. The information that is displayed at all times includes speed, incline, time, distance traveled, calories, pulse and pace. There is also a quarter-mile track feature and a peak and valley graph for different programs.